So my name is Bree Vculek, and I currently work as a patent scientist at Davis Wright Tremaine. And I am a fourth year evening part-time law student at the George Washington University in Washington, D.C. And so my technical background is biology, chemistry, and biotechnology. And I've worked in that area in a variety of different sectors, most recently within the patent space. And I'm also now working in artificial intelligence and machine learning as well. So thus far, my experience in patent law has been quite positive. I have worked now in an intellectual property boutique firm as well as in big law. And I have found at times it's lonely for sure, but I think that there are events like the Harrity for Parity Women's Patent Workshop, as well as tools like LinkedIn or various other groups like AIPLA, CHIPS, Women in IP in DC, that I have specifically involved myself in to help continue to foster that community and that sense of belonging. And it's also, I think, important to have shared experiences, but also learn from one another and maybe ask questions like, how did you navigate the situation? And so I found that to be really an incredible piece to my early practice, if you will. But I actually, this week, we're going to file my first provisional patent application. And this is through the George Washington University Intellectual Property and Technology Clinic. We're going to file our first provisional patent application that is an entire women team. So the inventor is a woman, and then I'm one of the student attorneys. My co-counsel is also a woman, and the director and the patent attorney that we're going to file under is also a woman. So comprehensive, holistic woman team. And that for me it's a first across the board, and I'm just really, really excited to have that opportunity. And I think that kind of explains that, what my experience has been thus far. But what's possible and what's out there and what we're, fingers crossed, going to see as we continue to navigate and progress in the field of patent law. So whatever that may mean, I remain hopeful and excited from what I'm seeing in law school, and acknowledging that we still have a lot of work to do, but grateful for programs like Harrity for Parity's Women Patent Workshop that really what I consider a launching pad in my career in patent prosecutions. To be honest, it really opened my eyes to what is possible and helped give me that next level of confidence in my skill set and in myself, that I belong and I add value, and I'm worth taking a chance on. So that was really, really another beautiful experience, and a little bit about what my early career has been like as a young woman in the practice of patent prosecution.